Imagine waking up one day, opening your YouTube dashboard, and seeing your earnings surpass your monthly salary. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's a reality for thousands of creators who've mastered the art of making money on YouTube. In this video, I'll reveal the proven steps to turn your channel into a reliable income stream, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around because every minute of this video is packed with actionable strategies that could change your financial future. Here's the truth. Millions of people create content on YouTube every day, but only a fraction ever see real financial returns. You might have started your channel with excitement, only to realize your videos aren't getting views, your subscriber count isn't growing, and the dream of monetization feels miles away. It's not because you're not talented, it's because YouTube isn't just a video platform, it's a business model. And like any business, it requires the right strategies, consistency, and smart execution. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know to monetize your YouTube channel effectively. From the best income streams to finding a profitable niche, mastering the algorithm, avoiding common mistakes, and even advanced strategies to scale your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start generating income on YouTube. 1. The 5 main ways to make money on YouTube. YouTube offers multiple revenue streams, and the most successful creators never rely on just one. First, there's AdSense, the most common income source, but often the least lucrative unless you have millions of views. Second, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products related to your niche. For example, a tech reviewer can earn from affiliate links for gadgets they showcase. Third, brand sponsorships. Companies will pay you directly to feature their products. Fourth, selling your own products or services, like digital courses, ebooks, or merchandise. Finally, channel memberships let your audience support you monthly in exchange for exclusive perks. Let's say you have a finance channel. You could create an affiliate partnership with an investment platform, promote it in your videos, and earn commissions for every new user. These income streams stack up, creating multiple pathways for revenue. Start by diversifying your income sources early. Don't just rely on AdSense. Explore sponsorships and affiliate deals tailored to your niche. This way, even if one revenue stream slows down, the others keep your income stable. 2. Finding your profitable niche. Not all niches are created equal. Some are more profitable than others, and finding the right one can make all the difference. Niches like finance, tech reviews, and self-development tend to attract higher-paying advertisers, increasing your AdSense revenue. But passion matters, too. Creating consistent, high-quality content in a niche you dislike will burn you out fast. For example, if you love personal finance, you could create videos about budgeting hacks, investment tips, and financial independence strategies. These topics not only have high search volume but also attract sponsors from banks, fintech apps, and financial products. Take time to research your niche. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to see which topics have high demand but relatively low competition. This small step can save you months of frustration. 3. Creating videos people actually want to watch. Success on YouTube starts with understanding your audience. People don't click on videos randomly. They click because they want answers, entertainment, or inspiration. Your job is to deliver on that promise every single time. Let's say your video is about how to save $1,000 in 3 months. Start with a powerful hook, provide clear steps, and wrap it up with a motivating call to action. Remember, quality doesn't just mean good visuals. It means good storytelling and valuable insights. Study your analytics. Look at which videos performed best and ask yourself why. Was it the title, the thumbnail, or the pacing? Then, double down on what works. 4. Mastering the YouTube algorithm. YouTube's algorithm isn't your enemy. It's your best friend if you understand how it works. Watch time, click-through rate, CTR, and engagement are the 3 pillars of success. Your thumbnail and title are the gatekeepers. They decide whether someone clicks or scrolls past. But once they're in, your content needs to deliver value within the first 30 seconds to keep them watching. A practical tip: create playlists around related topics. This keeps viewers on your channel longer, signaling to the algorithm that your content is binge-worthy. 5. Mistakes that kill your earnings. The biggest mistake creators make is ignoring their analytics. Every chart and number in your YouTube dashboard tells a story. Low CTR? Your thumbnail or title might need improvement. High drop-off rate? Your content might not be engaging enough. Another common mistake is inconsistency. Uploading once in a blue moon won't grow your channel. Treat your upload schedule like an appointment with your audience, non-negotiable. Stay curious and keep learning. The YouTube landscape evolves constantly, and staying updated with trends is non-negotiable. Every big YouTuber you admire started where you are right now. 0 views, 0 subscribers, 0 income. The difference? They didn't stop when things got hard. They kept showing up, improving, and adapting. Remember, success on YouTube isn't overnight, but every upload is a step closer to financial freedom. Your future self will thank you for starting today. If you found value in these strategies, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing which strategy you'll try first. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more people. Before you go, check out the description for exclusive links and recommendations tailored just for you. And since you made it to the end, YouTube has handpicked the next best video for you. It's on screen right now. Click on it, and I'll see you there.